Windows 10. Windows 10 operating system is made by one of the world's topmost software development companies called Microsoft Corporation. Windows 10 makes sure that your computer system is working smoothly without any problems. Features of Windows 10. Windows 10 is a version of the Windows operating system from Microsoft. It has several features. Windows 10 has a graphical user interface, GUI, which means you do not have to memorize all the commands. As it is a GUI, most of the work is done with a click of a mouse. It allows you to run several programs at the same time. It is very easy to learn and understand. Starting Windows 10. When you switch on the computer, the operating system stored on your computer starts loading itself into its main memory. After a few seconds, a welcome screen appears with the time and date. You can click anywhere on the screen to go to the user account screen. Once you choose the user and enter a password, if any, Windows 10 desktop appears.